What's up? It's Ike Paz, and I want to do a brief and quick review of my course, Printly. Right now, I'm actually inside one of my printable sites, one of the sites where I sell my printables, and this is a shot of today's earnings. Each person here represents about 11 to 13 bucks, okay? And this is what I make on a daily basis using what a lot of people don't know is an alternative to affiliate marketing, and that's selling printables online. This is my course, Printly, okay? Now, in this course, this is me, by the way. In this course, I go over all the different ways you can earn online with Printly, okay? So in the first video, I explain what Printly is about, how it works, and I also give you my fast action bonuses here. I have more custom bonuses for you, so I want you to stay until the very end so you get all of those bonuses as well. If you want to skip to the bonuses right now, just scroll down this page and you'll see all 6 of them. Okay, they're right here. And I'll go over them in a little bit. But first, let's go over Printly and why it's such a powerful way to earn online. Okay, so first thing you get is a video me explaining how Printly works. The second video is arguably the most important one, is how to find profitable printable niches. Okay, the second module here is how to create your printables, okay, using nothing but free tools and the types of different niches you can enter. The next one I show you is how to create printable games. This is by far the most lucrative type of printable I create, and you can create games for all kinds of different events and celebrations. I also show you how to create printable invitations, another powerful way to earn with printables. And remember, these are products you create. When you start selling them, these are passive products. You don't share anything. They're just all your products and all your profit. It's really a great situation. I mean, affiliate marketing is all well and good. I have nothing against it, but there's much more involved with affiliate marketing. When it comes to printables, you're selling your own goods, okay? And you don't have to ship anything. You don't have to send anything. You don't have to customize anything. It really is a digital product that people can download, print out, and use any way they want, okay? So I showed you how to create invitations, banners and logos, how to create quotes. People like to hang this in their house, how to create little printable quotes, how to create calendars. I also show you in this one right here, creating printable PDFs. I show you how to sell printables. If you want, you can go on Fiverr and sites like Upwork and Fiverr and sell these types of products. I also have experience doing this. Sell these types of printables there as a service. That's an option. I prefer the passive route, but definitely that's an option, okay? I've done that as well. Also, I give you my pin keyword finder tool. It's a free piece of software I created for myself to get me free traffic from Pinterest. I give that to you for free, okay? Also, don't forget to unlock my other Printly module here, okay? I'll go over this in a little bit. I show you different ways of profit with printables and what are called PODs, or print on demand products, okay? The next video, monetizing your printables, I show you how you go about getting traffic to your printables, okay? You can do it the free way, which is Etsy, okay? And I show you how to do that in this module here, making easy cash with Etsy. And that's definitely a route, okay? But one of the best ways, I think, in my opinion, is to do it on your own site, okay? So that's setting up the WooCommerce site, okay? So first thing you're gonna learn in this module is how to quickly set up your WooCommerce site on your own website, okay? Now it's very simple to do. There's a prompt to wizard that will prompt you through the steps. It takes no more than 5 minutes, less than that actually, to create your little e-com site. But it's not really e-commerce. You're not shipping anything. You're not storing anything. You're just selling printables off of your own site. That's all you're doing, okay? Again, I show you in this module how to profit with Fiverr, selling this as a service. But I urge you to focus more on the passive side because it's been so beneficial to me, and I'm sure it can be for you, okay? In the next module, Printly 2.0, which you also have access to if you get Printly on this page, okay, you will also learn how to create designs quickly and easily without skills, so you can sell them on t-shirts. Okay, I also give you proof and case studies on how to do that. I also show you how to create a blog quickly, a website quickly, okay, so you can attach your e-com site to. Very simple stuff. And then printables for email marketing part 1 and part 2, I show you how I use email marketing to sell even more printables, okay, passively and without effort. And the next one is my Facebook traffic method and tool. I also show you how to get traffic off of Facebook, and I give you a piece of software that I had developed for myself to do this simple task. And then finally, I want you to come and join me on my Facebook group where I help people make and sell printables online. Okay? And now I want to go over my bonuses. Okay, so these are bonuses you can only get through this page here. Okay, even though Printly is my course, I'm giving special bonuses, special custom bonuses to people who buy and purchase Printly on this page. My first bonus is my printable video. Okay, I'm going to show you how to easily double your printable earnings passively with video. Okay, it's not what you think. Okay, it's not what you think. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do some fancy editing. None of that. It's really easy way. Okay, this is a new way to earn with printables that I'll be showing you. Bonus number 2 is my case study, how 20 minutes today can earn for you passively for years to come. I'm going to give you actual video case study of something I created years ago that's still earning for me to this day. And that's actually most of these sales I made are off of products that I created years ago. Okay, so that's really cool about this course. Okay, bonus number 3. Most important printable sales conversion factor that takes only 10 minutes to make. Okay, I should put it to make. I'm going to show you how to make something in 10 minutes that's going to help convert your traffic into sales off of your printables. Okay, you get my step-by-step guide. Bonus number 4 is templates. You get resale rights to my profitable printable complete with guide and proof. I'm going to give you my case study showing you this printable in action, and you get the actual template. Okay. Bonus number 5 is traffic. My current and complete free traffic method for printables and Pinterest. Okay. By far, Pinterest is outperforming my other types of. I misspelled that. It should be with an S. By the time you see this, it will be corrected. Anyways, Pinterest is by far the best source for traffic when it comes to printables for me so far. Okay, it's not the only source, but it's definitely the best. You're gonna get my current and exclusive guide for that. And number 6, finally, I'm gonna make this even better for you, much easier for you. You get 3 more profitable printables with resale rights plus case study showing you these printables in action. Okay, so you get all 6 bonuses along with this course, the Printly course, and how I profit online. And if you put this into action, there's no reason why you won't be able to create a passive income for yourself without affiliate marketing or without any complicated method. Okay, so I hope to see you inside. Make sure you snag all these bonuses. Make sure you click this link here and get Printly on this page. Okay, be good, take care, and let me know what you think. Bye bye.